Well, here we are, the end of 2025, moving into January 2026. It is a beautiful time to take a moment to reflect on the year that's gone by and to set our intention for this coming year. What's in your heart? What is love and strength and power and imagination inspiring you to hold for this coming year? Well, we are here to help you understand what your intention is, to set that intention and to live out your intention. So we begin with our Thursday evening meditation on the 1st of January, 8:30, when we will be holding a 12 power meditation, focusing on each of the 12 powers as described by Charles Fillmore, to strengthen and support and enable us in our intention. And then on Sunday, the 4th of January at 3 o'clock, we're holding our Burning Bowl service, which is when we beautifully release and let go of the old stuff that we recognize we don't need anymore, has been holding us back. So that really step forward into our power, into our energy, into our intention to live it and set that for the coming year. We will make these services and meditations available, but if you can, do join us live in person. Be part of the energy of empowering ourselves, connecting with the divine that is the source of us, that inspires us to live out our intention for this coming year and make it a good year, not just for us, but for our loved ones, for those whom we hold in prayer, and our world. I look forward to joining you in person and online with the services that we offer in these next week. And do join us throughout the year with all that we do. We are here together to be the presence that we came here to be. Bless you for being part of that with us. Happy New Year.